Every year, autumn reminds me how short everything beautiful really is. The color shows up, takes your breath away, and then it's gone. So this year, I promised myself I wouldn't miss it again. And I came back with 10 tips that completely changed my fall photos. Hey, I'm Moshe Levis, a landscape photographer just like you. I've been chasing autumn for years, sometimes catching it, sometimes missing it by a few days. But every season it teaches me something new, not just about photography, but about seeing. So today, instead of listing settings, I want to share 10 autumn photography tips that actually matter, the kind that helped me capture the soul of the season. It started a few years ago when I drove 8 hours to catch the peak colors in the mountains. When I got there, rain, wind, gray skies, and bare branches. I was too late. I sat in the car, watching the last leaf fall, thinking, I planned everything perfectly and still missed it. But then I noticed something. Even in the gray, the forest had this quiet mood, this soft, cinematic atmosphere. That's when I realized maybe fall isn't about chasing color. Maybe it's about noticing change. That mindset became the first tip on my list. Tip number 1. Don't chase peak color. Tell the story of transition. Everyone wants that one perfect week of fiery red and gold. But honestly, the best stories happen before and after peak color. For example, shoot early when green and yellow mix. It feels like anticipation. Or after the fall, when bare trees hold the memory of color. That feels nostalgic. Don't wait for perfection. Photograph the in-between. Tip number 2. Overcast days are secretly magic. I used to pray for sun. Now, I pray for clouds. Soft light makes colors rich and moody. It's like the difference between shouting and whispering. Overcast days let the subtle tones, the moss, the bark, the mist, finally speak. Tip number 3. Use a polarizer, but not for what you think. Everyone says polarizers are for reflections, but in autumn, they're for color control. They cut glare from wet leaves and make tones deeper, almost painterly. Think of it like wiping fog off a window. Suddenly, everything looks clearer. Tip number 4. Shoot backlit leaves for glow. When the sun's low, get behind the trees. The light filtering through leaves turns ordinary color into stained glass. For example, a dull yellow leaf from the front looks flat, but from behind, it glows. It's not the leaf that changes, it's your angle. Tip number 5. Add scale to your scenes. Autumn landscapes can look messy. Adding a person, animal, or even a road gives viewers something to anchor to. Imagine a tiny figure walking through a gold forest. It tells a story, not just a view. Tip number 6. Dress your subject like the season. If you're photographing people, skip neutral tones. Deep reds, browns, mustard, or forest green blend beautifully with the landscape. Think of it like harmony in music. Your subject's color should play with the environment, not against it. Tip number 7. Embrace weather mood swings. One of my favorite fall shots happened in the middle of a drizzle. Raindrops, fog, and wet leaves, all those imperfections made it feel real. Don't pack up when it rains. That's when the world gets cinematic. Tip number 8. Get low and go close. Everyone shoots from eye level. Try lying on the ground. Leaves become texture, color turns abstract, and puddles reflect entire trees. It's like seeing autumn from the perspective of a fallen leaf. Humble, small, and beautiful. Tip number 9. Play with warm and cool tones. Autumn's not just warm colors, it's contrast. Pair orange leaves with a blue-gray sky, or cool shadows. Warm versus cool is like tension in a story. It keeps the viewer's eyes engaged. Tip number 10. Capture silence. My favorite fall photos aren't loud with color. They're quiet. A single tree in fog, a lake with ripples, empty paths. Autumn has a stillness to it that feels sacred. For example, I once shot a duck at dawn. No color, no sky drama, just still water. It ended up being my most loved image that year. Sometimes simplicity says the most. After years of chasing fall like a race, I finally slowed down. Now I realize every photo I take of autumn is really a photo about time. The beauty isn't just in the color, it's in the reminder that everything changes, and that's okay. Photography lets you hold that change, even just for a moment. So here's my challenge for you this season. Go outside, slow down, and capture how autumn feels, not just how it looks. Follow the fog, the rain, the wind. Let nature lead you, because fall isn't waiting for you to show up. It's already happening. Go tell its story before it's gone.